Hey, Maranatha, welcome back. Thanks so much for being a part of our children's ministry team. I really appreciate all that you do in the children's ministry. As you can see, we're here on our maranatharesources.org page. This has absolutely everything you need as a volunteer serving in the children's ministry. We have training, curriculum, and scheduling as well. If you have any feedback or questions, don't hesitate to submit those as well. But if you go here to scheduling and you click where it says click here, it leads you to this page. It's a Sign Up Genius website. On here you have dates, services, and times for serving. We have Wednesday nights available, Saturday nights, Sunday morning services, first and second. We have different areas that you can serve in as well. You'll notice also that it tells you how many people have signed up and how many more we need. So we have one of two people signed up here. We only have one of 9 people that we need to be signed up here, and so on and so forth. So if you see that there's a lot of people signed up in a certain area, you can go ahead and sign up in an area that we have more need, or you can go ahead and sign up in the area that you desire to serve the most. One of the nice things about this website is that it's all right here. So if you've already decided you want to be a part of the elementary team for first service, for example, you can simply click there, scroll down a little bit till you get to elementary first service for the following week. You can sign up for as many weeks as you'd like to. Make sure that if you have, an upcoming work event or something that's going to keep you from coming to the service, that you don't click on those dates, but you only serve on the dates that you are available. We have a couple months open at any one time, so go ahead and look at your calendar and sign up for as many dates as you think you're available for. Once you're ready, you go ahead to the bottom where it says submit and sign up. You click on that. It leads you to this page where you can write any notes or comments that you have. You'll put in your first and last name into this section here. You'll put in your email address as well. Once you've filled out your email address, your contact information, your phone number, and you can do this all from your desktop or laptop or from your cell phone. It's all really simple. You click on sign up now. It'll send you this confirmation. It'll also send you a confirmation email. In that email, you'll see a little bit more information about what we're going to be doing for that particular service. And if you have any questions at all, please do not hesitate to reach out. I appreciate you using the Sign Up Genius website. It makes things a lot smoother for us as a team, and helps us know who's going to be here and when you're going to be here. So like I said, if you have any questions or feedback, you can submit those right here on the Maranatha Resources page. But I really appreciate you signing up to serve, being a part of our ministry. I know that the kids are going to be blessed. The families are very thankful to have this opportunity, and I hope that you enjoy your time as well. God bless you. We'll see you at service.